Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to never make your phone turn off. Keeping your phone powered on requires understanding its battery. Your phone's battery health naturally declines over time, typically after about 500 charge cycles. Extreme heat or cold can significantly reduce its lifespan. Regularly updating your phone's operating system also ensures efficient power management and bug fixes, which are crucial for consistent performance. Proper charging habits are key to extending your phone's battery life. Aim to keep your battery level between 20% and 80%, as fully charging or fully draining can stress the battery. Always use the charger that came with your phone or a certified alternative to ensure compatibility and safety. Avoiding overnight charging also prevents unnecessary wear and tear on the battery over time. Your phone settings offer powerful tools to conserve battery. Activating low power mode can significantly extend usage when your battery is below 20%. Dimming your screen and setting a shorter screen timeout, perhaps to 30 seconds, reduces constant power draw. Also, turning off background app refresh for apps you don't frequently use and managing notifications can save substantial power. Sometimes, hardware maintenance is necessary. If your phone is several years old and its battery life has noticeably decreased, consider a professional battery replacement. A dirty charging port can prevent proper charging, so gently clean it with a non-conductive tool. Finally, regularly closing applications running in the background, even if not actively used, helps free up valuable system resources and conserve power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.